How to fix iCloud photo link. Not working on iPhone. First, make sure that iCloud photo library and shared albums are enabled on iPhone. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Tap your Apple ID profile at the top of the screen. Step 3. Tap iCloud. Step 4. Tap Photos. Step 5. Make sure Sync This iPhone and Shared Albums are both toggled on. Toggles are green when enabled. Second, make sure the iCloud photo link hasn't expired. iCloud photo links expire after 30 days. If it's been longer, the link won't work, and you'll need to send a new one. Third, make sure you're connected to the internet. A stable internet connection is necessary to access iCloud photo links. Fourth, check the Apple System Status page. Visit the Apple System Status page to ensure iCloud services are operational. A green dot next to the system name indicates no issues. Fifth sign, into your iCloud account. If photos from the link are missing in your iCloud photos, the link won't work. Make sure you're logged into your iCloud account and that the photos haven't been deleted.